Hi everyone, my name is Charlotte. I am in my first year of studying nutrition science and I am originally from Wellington in New Zealand. So I'm really excited to be taking you through the next few days of my life. So I thought I'd give a bit of a tour of Farrer Hall. So that's where I live. It's one of the residential colleges in the residential village in Monash. So this is our hallway and this is our floor kitchen. So here's our fireplace. Here's our kitchen. So this is my room here, my desk. We have two tutorials. We have a tute for evaluating evidence and another one for human biology and a lecture. So it's going to be a big day, but I'm sure we'll learn a lot, won't we, Sarah?
Yes.
So we just finished our evaluating evidence tutorial and now I'm heading to my human biology tutorial. So that's in the learning and teaching building. So let's head there now. A 2-hour break where we worked on our prac report and now we're heading into our lecture, so another 2 hours and then we're done for the day. Can we say, for example, coffee or just a really stressful email? I decided to study nutrition science because I've always been interested in health and how we can improve our health through what we eat. I just really liked all the different facets that you can also bring into nutrition. So the idea of, population health, mental health, the environment, all those different aspects that, contribute to a person's health and well-being. And yeah, I hope to go on to complete my master's in dietetics, hopefully work in a clinical setting, but I love the possibility of working as a dietitian because obviously everyone eats in the world and everyone needs that to be armed with that nutrition knowledge. So that's why I decided to study nutrition science. Well, it was a big day, so I'm thinking I might just go and talk to my friends, catch up with them. I might do a little bit of study before another big day tomorrow. So I'll see you on Thursday. Hi everyone, it is Thursday and it's very exciting because it's actually my last kitchen practical of the year today. So we're going to be looking at colours and I'm going to take you to the base kitchen, which is just outside of campus, and you can come and cook with me. So that'll be very exciting. Then I might come back, do a bit of study, have some lunch. I'll just take you with me, whatever happens. So we did 4 activities today, which you'll see in the videos. So I worked on looking at kind of the effect of pH and acidity and extended cooking on vegetables. So I looked at broccoli. What else did we do? We did some paper chromatography, which was quite interesting, looking at kind of how colours can separate. And what were the other activities? We made bread and
the legumes.
Oh, the legumes, yeah. So looking at, again, the effect of kind of acidity. And so we're just looking at colours and colour changes, but it was super interesting. And that's our last kitchen practical for the year. So, yeah. Time to wrap up. Thank you so much for watching a few days of my life. I hope you found it interesting or just gave you a bit of an idea of what a few days in the life of a nutrition science student looks like at Monash. But again, thank you so much for watching and see you later.